Creating an email template in Brevo is a simple process. Here's how to do it in a few easy steps. Log into Brevo. Go to the Brevo website and log into your account. Navigate to Templates. From the dashboard, go to Campaigns in the top menu. Select Templates from the drop-down menu. Create a new template. Click on the Create a New Template button. You'll be given options to start from scratch or use a pre-designed template. Choose a template type. Select Drag and Drop Editor for user-friendly visual design experience. Alternatively, choose Rich Text Editor for more control over HTML coding. Design your template. Use the drag and drop interface to add elements such as text, images, buttons, and social media links. Customize these elements by clicking on them and using the editing tools. Personalize the template with dynamic content like contact names and personalized messages. Save your template. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Save and Exit. Name your template for easy identification later. Test your template. Send a test email to yourself or preview it within Brevo to ensure it looks good on different devices.